Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm David here with Zion's Gate Ranch. I want to share a little hack that I just figured out with my weed eater. If you're ever running into a problem with your weed eater and it's just bogged down and not running right, and you've been using it for like 4 or 5 years, I'm going to show you this little trick, and it worked. So what happens is the exhaust on these STIHLs, they have a little port on the outside, and it gets clogged and gummed up. And so what I did is I took a drill and a drill bit. I guess I'll have to look what size real quick. And I just punched a hole right in the back side of that exhaust. And man, that baby fired up in a heartbeat, And then I adjusted the carb. You get a little carburetor tool online and just adjusted it as it needed. And oh my God, I've just been so happy, because it sucks not having a weed eater and I didn't want to go buy another one. So I was sitting here thinking, what in the world is wrong with this thing? So I'm gonna show you, turn this camera around and show you guys. This is an amazing trick and it works well. All right, guys. So this is, standard STIHL weed eater. So wouldn't start. It just kept bogging down, and then it completely wouldn't start. So what happens is, see how gummed up that little port is in there? And it comes out there, no exhaust can come out. It couldn't breathe. So I punched a freaking hole right there with the drill bit. It don't take very long. And oh my God, does it run like a freaking champ now. I mean, a champ, y'all. So let me see what size drill bit I used real quick. Let's see here, guys. 3/8 is the size that I used, just a metal bit like this. Works fantastic. Amazing trick. So if you have a problem, you see it all gummed up, just punch a hole in the thing. And that sucker will breathe like no tomorrow. That's like putting a good exhaust on your truck. I mean, that's what you're doing. Same thing as with the truck or whatever. All right, guys, see you on the next one. Peace.